Hey guys, today I'm going to review and unbox this Emojoy 15-piece chef knife set. It also comes with a wooden block. Anyway, got this baby for a good price on Amazon. Let's take it out. 15-piece knife set. Comes with several knives in there. Well, let's open this baby up. Looks nice. Nice handles on this. I think they're called paca wood. Never heard of paca wood.
Here we go.
Info card here. Let's see. They're from Emojoy. I guess it's an emoji. Emojoy? Emojoy? Oh, emoji. Anyway, I'm trying to replace the ones I got here. See these babies? These have helped us and lasted us for a long time. Okay, here we go. Wow, these are nice. Look at this. I guess these are the steak knives. Wow, beautiful. Look at that. That's nice. Also comes with kitchen shears. Wow, very nice. You even have a little clip on them too. See that? Nice.
So you can cut chicken bones.
Comes with a small, let's see, this must be a paring knife or a small knife. Of course, the sharpener. Handles are really well made, really well made. Worth every penny. Bread knife, beautiful bread knife. And also, check it out. They give you this little tip on the end of the knife so you don't get hurt. That's really cool. Exceptional for a really good buy. I think I picked them up for 40 some bucks. Amazing. Wow, this is good. This is I call it a Santoku knife. This is a 7-inch, beautiful. Again, I love that they gave the little rubber ending here for the, so you don't hurt yourself with the tip.
A couple more to go.
Slicing knife. This is really beautiful. Again, the tip. And here's the big baby. This is what we need to see. This is a chef knife. This is really gorgeous too. Look at that. Really, really nice. The handles really feel good too. Again, love the tip. The last one. Okay, let's check out the wood block that comes with this. Really, really nice. Very well made. Really nice color too. And what's great is it goes all the way through the bottom so the knives can dry when you put them in here. Just one note, with any kind of knives like this, any high quality knives, you really want to make sure you hand wash these. Don't put them in the dishwasher. And there you go. the 15-piece Emojoy, or Emoji, let me just see what it says, 15-piece kitchen knife set with the wooden block. You have to manually sharpen these yourself with Paca wood. An excellent, excellent buy on Amazon. Like I said, check it out. Check out the link below to buy these on Amazon. And it is an affiliate link. It does help with the channel. Doesn't cost you anything more. If you enjoyed the review and you like the channel, subscribe. See you guys.